Hi, I'm Trace.
Hi, my name is Becca.
My name is Yuki.
I'm a third-year PhD student. I study microbiology at Bren.
I'm a fourth-year PhD student, and I broadly study water quality.
I'm a fourth-year PhD student. My research focuses on microplastic pollution and soil microbiology.
Working with contaminants of emerging concern, it's very critical to make sure that our glassware is clean so that our samples aren't being contaminated.
We normally spend a lot of time washing glassware by hand, doing like triple rinses, and so this can take both a lot of time as well as consume a lot of resources.
We had a laboratory glassware washer that was like about 20 years old, so it would use a lot of water and energy, and we'd constantly have to repeat cycles so that we could get our glassware clean enough to do laboratory analyses with. Through TGIF, Yuki and I wrote a grant that got us a new laboratory dishwasher, and this dishwasher is way more energy efficient, uses a lot less water, and ends up having a lot cleaner glassware at the end, so we don't have to keep repeating laboratory analyses.
TGIF stands for the Green Initiative Fund, and TGIF is a UCSB funding system that helps us fund projects that support sustainability and reduce the university's impact on the environment.
Having an efficient laboratory dishwasher has really helped cut down on time as well as water use and electricity.
We're also not the only lab researchers at Bren or in collaborating departments, so having access to this dishwasher is an exciting opportunity for everyone doing this work to accelerate their research in that way. So less time washing dishes by hand means more time in the lab getting to do science that supports the environment and sustainability.